In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Avalanche's future while talking about AVAX cost figure for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like torrential slide. AVAX sent off its mainnet in September 2020. The stage's local token, AVAX, performs different undertakings inside torrential slide and furthermore works as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential slide is the main brilliant agreement stage that can affirm exchanges in less than 1 second, upholds the aggregate of the Ethereum advancement tool stash, and empowers a huge number of free validators to take part as full block makers. Torrential slide had north of 1,000 full block delivering hubs on its Denali testnet. As well as supporting exchange irrevocability under 1 second, torrential slide is fit for throughput significant degrees more prominent than existing decentralized blockchain networks, 4,500 plus exchanges, second, and security edges well over the 51% norms of different organizations. What is the torrential slide, AVAX, token? AVAX is the local badge of torrential slide. It is a hard-covered, scanned resource that is utilized to pay for charges, secure the stage through marking, and give an essential unit of record between the numerous subnets made on torrential slide. How is the torrential slide organization got? Torrential slide is a proof of stake, POS, convention which rewards clients for marking coins. POS networks have experienced harsh criticism for their low assault cost, which now and again has uncovered serious weaknesses. As indicated by Ava Labs, torrential slide gets around this by changing administration to make it everything except incomprehensible for an aggressor to acquire the fundamental agreement secretly. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unequaled high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Torrential slide coin value forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the main quarter of 2022 preceding we see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022, 2023 September plus 23.60% $23.33. AVAX value forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees AVAX coming to $37.37 in 2025. What will AVAX be worth in 5 years? The cost of AVAX in 5 years could lie around $35.69. Torrential slide coin value expectation 2030 to 2040. What torrential slide will be worth in 2030? Our Gwajing model sees torrential slide coming to $93.42 in 2030. What torrential slide will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees torrential slide coming to $186.84 in 2040. Will torrential slide supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, torrential slide won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could torrential slide reach $100? Indeed, torrential slide could reach $100 toward the finish of 2022. Will torrential slide reach $1,000? Indeed, conceivable torrential slide can reach $1,000, however just in a removed future, after 2030. Is torrential slide worth purchasing? We are backers of tolerably hazardous money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bushel of enormous cat coins and the rest in little tasks with tremendous potential gain. Thus, in this unique situation, Torrential Slide merits purchasing. Is Torrential Slide a wise venture? Torrential Slide is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Torrential Slide be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $11.66. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $93.42 or much higher. For what reason will Torrential Slide succeed and become more expensive? Torrential Slide has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Torrential Slide ascending to $93.42 in 2030. For what reason will Torrential Slide fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are, group denounces any kind of authority and forsakes the undertaking, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of all-around planned advertising methodology, losing local area support, expected weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Torrential Slide go? Our estimating model sees Torrential Slide value detonating and coming to $186.84 in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for Torrential Slide? Torrential Slide will reach $11.66 in the following 90 days, which is a 38.2% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around $18.87. Will Torrential Slide make you a tycoon? Indeed, assuming you purchase enormous enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and become a Torrential Slide tycoon. In any case, 100x value blasts are a typical sight in crypto, so a $10,000 interest in Torrential Slide could make you a mogul. Torrential Slide value expectation today. What will be the cost of Torrential Slide tomorrow? Torrential Slide will float around $20.51 tomorrow. When to sell and leave Torrential Slide? That relies upon your exchanging profile. In the event that you trust in Torrential Slide and think it has a brilliant future, holding the coin for essentially several years is really smart. Taking benefits on wise ventures is a far better thought. So on the off chance that you are perched on 100 to 200% or much more acquires on your Torrential Slide, changing out a